Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled MLOps for AI, the assembly line for smart applications. Imagine you're building a fancy new, smart app, maybe one that recognizes objects in photos or suggests movies. We've talked about what AI is, making computers smart, and how machine learning, ML, helps them learn. But building one smart app isn't enough. What if you need to build hundreds? Or continuously improve the one you have? That's where MLOps comes in. It's like setting up a super efficient factory for your AI creations, turning ideas into reliable products. When you write a regular app, you mostly deal with code. For AI, it's different. You have data, the fuel for learning, the asterisk model, the brain that learns from the data, and the asterisk code that brings it all together. This mix makes AI projects tricky. How do you keep track of different data versions? What if a model performs poorly? How do you update it without breaking everything? It's like building a rocket. You need more than just the engine. You need fuel, navigation, launch control, and a whole mission strategy. MLOps stands for Machine Learning Operations. Think of it as the grand strategy for building, deploying, and maintaining your AI systems reliably and efficiently. It combines the best practices from software development, DevOps, with the unique needs of machine learning. Its goal? To take your AI idea from a simple concept to a polished, continuously improving product. Just like an assembly line churns out consistent, high-quality cars, it's about bringing order and automation to the complex world of AI development. Every smart app starts with data. If you're building a dog recognizer, you need thousands of dog pictures. MLOps helps you manage this crucial first step: data collection and preparation, asterisk finding, cleaning, and organizing your data so it's ready for your AI model to learn from. Like getting fresh, clean ingredients for your meal. Data versioning, asterisk keeping track of changes to your data over time. Knowing which batch of ingredients you used for a specific recipe. Without MLOps, different datasets could lead to different, unpredictable models, making it hard to fix issues later. This is where the actual learning happens. You pick algorithms, train models with your data, and tweak them to perform better. Experiment tracking. MLOps tools help you record every experiment, which algorithm you used, what settings, how well it performed. Imagine a chef meticulously writing down every ingredient and cooking time for each dish. Asterisk model versioning. Asterisk saving different versions of your trained models. If one recipe works better, you save that version. This is vital for reproducibility, knowing exactly how a model was built, and for rolling back if a new version doesn't work out. Once you have a well-trained model, you want to put it to work. Asterisk model deployment. MLOps helps you package your model and integrate it into your app or system. This could mean putting it on a server so your app can ask it questions, e.g., is this a dog? Single quote, or directly embedding it into your software. It's like getting your delicious meal from the kitchen to the customer's table. Automation. MLOps often automates these steps, so you can push out new, improved models with a click, without manual headaches or fear of breaking things. Launching your smart app isn't the end. It's just the beginning. Performance monitoring. MLOps continuously checks if your model is still performing well in the real world. Is the dog recognizer still accurate for new pictures? Is your customer still happy with the meal? Drift detection. Asterisk real-world data changes. Your model might start seeing things it wasn't trained on. MLOps helps detect this drift when the world shifts away from what your model knows. Automated retraining. Asterisk when performance drops or data changes. MLOps can automatically kick off a new training cycle with fresh data, ensuring your AI stays smart, relevant, and accurate over time, like a restaurant getting fresh feedback and updating its menu or cooking methods. As a developer, MLOps makes your life easier and your AI projects more successful. Faster development. Ship new AI features and improvements quicker and more confidently. Reliability. Build AI applications that work consistently and predictably. Scalability. Easily handle more data and users as your app grows, without constant manual intervention. Reproducibility. Always know exactly how a model was built and why it behaves a certain way. Collaboration. Works seamlessly with data scientists and other engineers on complex AI projects. By embracing MLOps, you move from building one-off AI prototypes to creating robust, production-ready smart applications that continuously deliver value to your users. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.